Holy Spirit, fill me, overwhelm me. Holy Spirit, use me for your glory. Here's my life, let it be a living sacrifice. All that I am, surrender into your hands. Here I am. Here I am. Let your will be done.